Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica Clark, and today's topic I find very interesting. A lot of YouTubers don't want to do this kind of topic, but I think it's very important for us to talk about it today. And as you can see below from the title, we'll be doing feminine hygiene, and we're gonna be focusing on specific on the vagina, or the V. I'll use the V. So I really think this topic is very important, especially to young females out there. And I don't feel any way at all, recording this video or putting this content out there to you, because I know a lot of you females out there don't really have a female person in your life that can actually share these informations with you, especially my Jamaican people. And I know I have overseas people watching this video also. So I do have my notes here, guys. This video is still gonna be short, not going to go too in depth, but I hope I can provide you with some good pointers and advice when it comes to feminine hygiene. And today we're gonna be focusing mostly on the vagina. So I think this could be a two-part series, so we'll see what happens. All right, so my first tip that I have, and it's a tip, yes, but it's also to educate you guys out there that the vagina, it naturally cleanses itself, meaning you don't have to clean it at all, especially the inside. I mean, you have to bathe and ensure that down there is well taken care of, but when it comes to the inside of the vagina, it actually cleans itself. It cleans itself in a normal substance called discharge. So I know most women have discharge. Some discharges are very high, because I do have high discharges, and some women they don't really have that much discharge, but they still do. What I normally do when I have discharges, and what I do recommend any woman out there who has discharges, is to wear a panty shield. Specifically, I would say the non-scented, because you don't want anything to be scented down there, any chemicals, any bacteria or anything like that. So non-scented panty shield. It's not a pad, it's not a pad or a tampon. It's a small panty shield. It looks like a pad, but it's not a pad. You can just line it into your underwear and just wear it. So whatever discharge that you have, it comes out on the panty shield. Remember, discharge is very normal, and it's a way for the vagina to clean itself, to get rid of those impurities, anything that is inside the vagina. Okay, so my second tip is to wear cotton panties. So cotton panties allows the vagina to breathe. So avoid wearing thongs. I'm not saying you're supposed to get rid of your thongs and like go into your dressers or your closets or wherever you keep your panties, but wear them at a minimum level. Like, if you don't have to wear them, don't wear them. It's that simple. You might be going somewhere special, or you want to wear something special for your boyfriend or anything like that, you can wear them. But once you're done, remember to always wear cotton. Cotton allows air to pass through to the vagina and allows the vagina to breathe and open up your pores and everything like that. Right? So that's step 2. Number 3, wash undergarments. So we just spoke about wearing cotton panties, but remember to wash them. Wash them, wash them, wash them, especially if you just bought a new panty. You don't want to be wearing something that you pick up at the store, and a lot of people have been holding it and looking at it, and because that causes bacteria, and bacteria is passed on from one person to another, or a person to an item, or an item to a person. So always wash your panties, sorry. And remember, every time you purchase a new item, a new panty or bra or anything like that, wash them first. So the fourth one is actually practice good hygiene. Wash your vagina regularly with a washcloth. So when you're going to have a shower and what I normally do is have a different washcloth or rag for my vagina and another one for my body. I normally wash my vagina, or the V, sorry. I normally wash the V before I do anything else. So it is recommended by doctors that you do not put any kind of soap or body wash or anything like that on the vagina or inside the vagina, because that can throw off your pH balance and it can cause odor. And our bodies have a natural scent. Everyone has a natural scent. So it doesn't mean that you're gonna have a stinky scent, but we just have a natural scent. But we just want to balance out that scent always. So what I normally do, that would be my next step as well in this content that I'm giving you, is to buy some feminine wash. So these are proven, these are tested by doctors and recommended as well, to buy washes to help balance your pH, balance the odor, just to have you having a fresh feeling down there, smelling good always. So that is recommended. But number one tip is to wash with plain water. That's it. And so I do have another tip here. So always eat healthy, guys. I know it's hard, it's very expensive to eat healthy, but it is recommended to eat healthy, because you cannot be taking care of the outside of your body and not taking care of the inside of your body as well. So it's best if you eat healthy, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, especially pineapples. They're good for vaginal health. Avoid red meat, eat healthy, right? So you just need to eat healthy, and you want to get the vagina wash or the V wash that is pH. It has pH balance. So a good brand is Vagisil. You can use Vagisil. Yes, or you can even use Summer's Eve. So that's all my tips that I have for you today. Remember to eat healthy, use your feminine wash, balance your pH, and just care for your vagina as a woman. And I'm glad that I could have done this video for you today, provide you with the necessary information. So I guess that's it, and do subscribe to my channel, like and share for upcoming videos as well. Please comment down below on what do you think about this video. Remember, I'm still a new YouTuber, so I do have a lot of content to share coming up. So do have yourself a wonderful day, guys. Bye.